You can barely see that, but this is the landfill for Macau. You can see a black dog. Sorry that it's not really that easy to see. It'd be easier if I had like a zoom camera, but I just have my GoPro. But this is going to be our focus. It's going to be a really short video, and it's not too far from Grand Lisboa Palace, Lisboa Palace Casino, which is new. I'll tell you more about it in a minute. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. See, I always kind of wondered where Macau put their trash. I didn't know if they sold it to China. I just had no idea. But over here you can see dumpsters and dogs and trains and then red flags. So anything that we throw away ends up in this big landfill right here. It looks like it's all kind of man-made. There's a water away. So it looks like they kind of built it around for the ocean. Then just for some references, Grand Lisboa Palace, it's a brand new casino, really beautiful. Hasn't opened yet, and it's Cotai Strip. So there's a zip line right there, that blue building. There's a zip line that goes down. There's MGM Casino over there, and Parisian Casino in the background. Here goes one of the landfill trucks. And then over here there's a prison. And some factories too. There's factories, a ton of cranes over here, so they might be building something over there, or those are cranes that are lifting freight or something from the factories. Most likely doing that. So that's our landfill focus. And while we're doing the landfill focus, there's a prison up there. So all the prisoners in Macau end up in that space way up there, and I guess they kind of overlook the landfill, I guess. And then so that's the prison, and then right here is this tunnel. So they're also doing all this construction. As you can see, construction everywhere around this area. So that's all construction, and then they're going to be eventually be able to go through this tunnel, go through the mountain and get to the other side, and then get over to Kalawan. So there's the amount of building in this area is pretty crazy, just how much of it. Okay, anyway, so landfill was the focus. So padlock fence. Okay, hope you like that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.